Are you looking for a smartwatch that perfectly balances performance, modern style, and everyday health tracking? The Huawei Watch Fit 4 delivers advanced fitness monitoring, 24/7 heart rate and stress tracking, and smart health insights designed to keep you in control throughout the day. In this video, we'll quickly explore the Watch Fit 4's key features and see how it performs in real-world use. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Huawei Watch Fit 4. Charging cradle, including the charging cable. And quick start guide. Want to grab the Huawei Watch Fit 4 for Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Key features. With so many designs to choose from and customizable styles and features, you'll never run out of ways to express yourself. It can be an emotion-themed pet, a work of art like Arctic rays and dusk silhouette, or a DIY gallery watch face. Experience your favorite activities in a whole new way with customizable training plans, AI-enhanced coaching, and data-driven analysis for 100+ workout modes. Running form analysis monitors advanced data like ground contact time balance and vertical oscillation, and provides tips to help you fine-tune your form and prevent injury. The Perceptive Emotional Well-Being app to keep an eye on your emotions, pleasant, neutral, or unpleasant, and offer a next level of insights into your overall wellness. Take your cardiac health to heart with timely alerts on potential AFib and premature beat risks, powered by a high-performance PPG sensor and designated software. Delve into the Health Insights app, a first on the Huawei Watch Fit 4 series, for next-level guidance on healthier lifestyles, from tips on managing stress to advice on improving sleep and optimizing workouts. Create a health community for loved ones and stay up to date with their heart rate, SpO2 levels, daily step count, and sleep quality from one easy place. Huawei Watch Fit 4 is compatible with both iOS and Android so that you can stay connected, track your fitness goals, and get real-time notifications all on your own terms. Specifications. How to charge. Place the Huawei Watch Fit 4 on its wireless charging dock, ensuring the back is aligned correctly, and connect the dock to a power adapter. The watch will automatically start charging once the icon appears on the screen. How to pair. Download the Huawei Health app from the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, then install it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Locate the side buttons on your Huawei Watch Fit 4 and press and hold the power button until the Huawei logo appears. Once the watch powers on, allow it a few moments to complete the startup process before continuing with the setup. Open the Huawei Health app on your smartphone and tap Add Device. When the Huawei Watch Fit 4 appears, tap to connect and confirm the pairing code shown on both devices. Agree to the required terms, then wait while the watch syncs and completes the setup process. After pairing, select your wrist preference and button orientation in the Huawei Health app. Review and customize features such as activity tracking, sleep monitoring, and heart rate guidance. You can also adjust snore detection, backups, and fall detection later in the app. Safety precautions. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Huawei Watch Fit 4. See you in the next one.